Hi, it's Ann and Dan with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Florida Realty. I'm Ann Wallace.
Hi, I'm Dan Downey. Thanks for joining us for our Facebook Live tour of 320 Lakeview Drive in the great community of the Estuary, which is one of our favorite communities just north of town, right along A1A, not very far from the beach and not very far from town, as I mentioned. So
We're going to take you on a little tour. Come on, here we go.
Today we thought we would share our five favorite things about this home.
Okay, great.
Join us, please.
Whoops. Okay. There we go. You have to bear with us. Facebook Live.
Nice courtyard here.
So
You go right ahead.
one of our favorite things about this home is this beautiful family room. It's light-filled, lots of windows, looks out on the pool, and has is open to the fabulous kitchen.
Really nice and light and bright, as Ann mentioned. Really nice attention to detail with the moldings in this home. We have a gas fireplace. Nice built-ins.
Built-ins.
It's a 3-bedroom home with a nice office or den. And it opens nicely to the kitchen, as Ann mentioned. Nice and spacious.
It's nice having a gas range, which not very many, or most homes on the island do not, because you have to have your own gas tank buried. So, but a lot of the real cooks love having gas. I'm not one of those.
We'd like to take you out to see our second favorite feature about this home.
Hi, Sarah.
This nice light-filled pool area with summer kitchen.
Whoops, I'm gonna go back
There's
and
the
show
summer
you the
kitchen,
summer
yes.
kitchen.
Great spot for barbecues.
There.
Right off the kitchen. Nice deep lanai. This backyard is south-facing, therefore we get lots of sun. Very private.
I'm gonna try really hard not to fall in, because I'm looking at the camera and not where I'm walking. Although it's pretty warm out here, it wouldn't be bad to fall in.
Great day for a dip in the pool.
Okay.
So join us back inside.
Here we go. Can everybody hear us okay? Let us know. Make a comment, write in the comments below. Or even if you're watching afterwards, and this is the replay, we'd love to hear where you're watching from.
And we'd love to have our Facebook page shared and likes on our Facebook page.
There's a little bar area, nice wet bar.
area. We're going to walk through from the dining area to the living room.
Dining, living. I love these floors too.
Beautiful floors, again, beautiful moldings, plantation shutters throughout. And here we have our third favorite with this home. Nice cozy office with really nice built-ins.
I think I could actually even do some work if I got in here.
A great spot to be home and work from home during these times.
Okay, let's go to the fourth.
Go to the
Our
fourth.
fourth favorite.
This is a really great feature with this home. The guest bedroom here has its own separate entrance for guests, which is great feature.
So we were wondering if you guys are watching, anybody watching, let us know if you prefer to have a separate guest entrance, or if you'd rather have it connected to the main house.
It's a nice light, bright room.
Separate bath.
So the guest has their own, it's really an ensuite here. Again, with their own separate entrance. They can come and go as they please.
I think I would prefer a separate entrance. Then people, if they get up early or I get up early, I won't feel like I'm bothering them. Of course, you don't want anybody to get too comfortable. They might stay too long. Who said that? Okay, now, hi Georgia. Okay, here we go. Hope you guys can all hear us okay. Look at this. Look at this beautiful spot.
Nice front yard. So another one of our favorites here is really the estuary, the community itself. It's very low maintenance, upscale, guarded community. The association maintains all the grounds, all the lawn care, trimming of the bushes, irrigation. It's really a great spot. Another nice feature of this community, there are some docks that are, they're private docks, but they would be available for purchase if any became available. So, in other words, if you were not on the water, like this home is not, if a dock became available, one could purchase it and keep their boat there for access to the river.
A lot of pluses. There are more things that we love about this house too. If you're interested in finding out more, you'd like more pictures of the bedrooms, we have another video online. Please contact us, comment below if you're during the live video right now, or if you want to comment later during the replay, we would appreciate it. And thank you so much for watching.
Thanks for joining us. Have a great afternoon.
Okay, bye-bye.